These lashes will last you 7 to 10 days, and you'll be able to do your regular makeup routine, remove makeup, wash your face, shower, all of the things that you need to do in your daily life. So I'm going to show you how I remove makeup while I'm wearing these lashes. The lashes are not going to come off when I remove my makeup, and they will stay on. So you can use makeup wipes if you'd like. You can also use micellar water to remove the makeup. I like the wipes personally because I'm not going to get anything dripping in the lashes, an excessive moisture or water, anything like that. So I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm going to carefully wipe away my eye makeup. I do like to wear a liquid liner sometimes, so it's very easy for me to just put a wipe around my finger and very gently wipe off any eyeliner that I might be wearing. And I'm not aggressively rubbing the lashes, I'm just removing the makeup around it. Go to my other eye, remove my makeup, and all the lashes stay intact, they're not going to come off. And sometimes if I get a lot of dust on them from any other like eyeshadows or anything like that, eye colors, I can also take the wipe and gently wipe the lashes so that way they don't look dirty. See? Easy. That's how I remove my eye makeup.